Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
This woman sprays alcohol on her bed. She can't believe what she finds that night. Alcohol is an extremely useful ingredient to have around your house. It can be used as a disinfectant and adhesive removal. Alcohol is packed with benefits and uses, and we present you some of its uses you probably weren't aware of. Benefits and uses of alcohol: eliminates bed bugs. In order to eliminate these nasty and irritating insects, all you should do is spray alcohol gently over your bed sheets, mattress, and pillows. This will kill off the disgusting pests and your bed will be bug-free. Replaces deodorant. Alcohol can come in handy when you forget your deodorant. All you should do in order to prevent the body odor is rub some alcohol on your armpits. Due to its antibacterial properties, alcohol will kill the bacteria and prevent bad odor. Kills lice. Alcohol can kill all insects, including lice. In order to use it for lice, you should fill a spray bottle with alcohol and add a small amount of lavender oil. Then, spray this mixture on your hair and scalp and leave it for about an hour. Finish by combing the hair and removing the dead lice. Cleans the ears. Instead of using the harmful cotton swabs, you can choose a much safer method: alcohol. Mix white vinegar and alcohol in a cup and dip a cotton swab into the mix. All you should do is drop it into each ear. The wax will come out on its own. Removes polish. Alcohol can also be used as a beauty ingredient. You can use it to remove the fingernail polish instead of using acetone, which is packed with harmful chemicals. Simply rub some alcohol and the polish will be gone. Treats and prevents ingrown hairs. You can treat and eliminate the ingrown hairs once and for all by rubbing alcohol on the affected area. Moreover, alcohol will make your skin healthier and smoother. Cleans the skin. If you struggle with acne and blemishes, alcohol will help you because it contains anti-inflammatory properties. It will disinfect the pimples and prevent other acne from appearing. Heals cold sore. You should rub 70% isopropyl alcohol on the cold sores and herpes will go away. Hand sanitizer. You can use alcohol as the most effective hand sanitizer. You can prepare it at home by mixing 4 ounces of aloe vera gel and 1/2 tablespoon of isopropyl alcohol and a few drops of tea tree oil.